Imagine a bank account that never stopped growing. Elon Musk, in February 2026, he officially became the first person in the history to surpass the $800 billion net worth. His net worth recently is $852 billion. That is more than the GDP of many countries. Just 4 months ago, he was celebrating the $500 billion mark. This massive jump wasn't just luck, it was a massive business deal. The surge was tracked when his rocket company acquired his AI startup XAI. This single move added $84 billion in his wealth in just days. SpaceX is now a $1.5 trillion company. It is officially replaced the Tesla as the crown jewel of Musk empire. Musk now owns 43% of this aerospace and AI giant. The stake alone is worth over $540 billion. But we can't forget cars. Tesla remains the massive pillar of his wealth. His 12% stake in Tesla is worth $178 billion. On top of that, analysts say the path of trillion dollar is wide open. If SpaceX goes public with an IPO later this year, his net worth explode again. It's possible that in this year 2026, Elon Musk has become a trillionaire.